Premier's VAW meter. It has a dimmer, a VAW meter, and other parameters. It will display other parameters, and a safety MCB, and a socket to connect the appliance, the product to be tested. This dimmer we can vary from 0 to 270 volts. As you can see, the voltage we can maximally set is 270 up to 270. The dimmer rating is available in the options of 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 4 ampere, all the way up to 60 amperes. To test this, we connect the appliance over here, switch on this plug, and we set the desired voltage. Generally it is 230 as per the main supply. We set it to 230 volts. So around it is showing a wattage of around 27 watts, a current of 0.118, 118 milliamperes. When you press the down button, you can see each of the parameters individually. First is voltage, second is current, RPM, power factor. Since we have connected a heater, it's almost a 1 power factor load. Frequency for 50 Hz, wattage, VA rating, which is the multiplication of voltage and current, kilowatt hour, which is the energy consumption, KVAh, kilovolt ampere hour, run hour is the number of this is the time duration of which the unit is on. You can see it is increasing. Load hour is the time for which the current is being drawn. The moment we switch it off, the load hour time stops. And this is the main screen. Once you switch it on, you will get the voltage, current, wattage readings. Whenever the load exceeds the dimmer rating, we have a safety MCB which will trip the unit and ensure the safety of the unit. Thank you.